And if you work from home, right, if you're doing an online business, you could either leave your food in the bulk containers and then just take food out and measure it as you go. But then you could also prep these into individual containers as if you were traveling. So, like if you wanted to get, a bunch of these size containers, and that way your meals would all be set. When I did my first calorie deficit last year, I wrapped them in foil and then put a paper towel around them because the vegetables would leak water. And then I would put them in a Ziploc gallon bag. And I had 7 days of 2 meals each because I was doing 2 meals and then a fruit and a protein shake as like a supplement in between each one of those. I will tell you, eating as much as possible versus having a liquid protein is going to help you be fuller, more full. And so it's important to know that because it'll make it easier if you eat and chew more than you drink. That's going to help you stay fuller longer. And then also the time that it takes you to eat, that's like your time. Like you can't just be giving and giving and giving to your business. You can't just always have the faucet on. You have to turn off the faucet and actually take in some of that source energy for yourself. So if you're eating every 2.5 hours, that means that you have to stop focusing on your business and on other people and bring it home to you because you're the most important. And every time that you do something for other people and your clients get results and you hit a milestone in your business, when you take time to let that sink in, you're going to calibrate higher because you're taking the time to notice what you've accomplished. And this whole point of the experience of life is to have the actual experience. So if you can take that time every 2.5 hours to just be with yourself, you don't even have to be thinking anything. You could just literally be with yourself, nourishing yourself. You're going to give the energetics time to like come into you and regenerate you. So there's so much importance in the self-care on so many levels.